In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to craft and optimize a high-converting Amazon product listing. Let's get started. I'll begin by entering a detailed prompt to establish a professional persona for the AI, ensuring it understands the specific rules for writing benefit-driven and search-optimized content. Once the system is ready, I'll type in the core details for my product, which is a 32-ounce insulated water bottle designed for active adults. I'm including features like the leak-proof lid and its ability to keep drinks cold for 24 hours to give the AI plenty of context. As you can see, ChatGPT instantly generates a structured listing complete with a descriptive title, several bullet points, a detailed narrative description, and a list of back-end keywords. The results are impressive because they translate technical specs into real-world benefits that resonate with a customer's daily routine. To take things further, I'm asking for a second iteration of the bullet points to make them even more punchy by leading with capital letters that highlight the immediate value. I'll finish by requesting a final optimization pass to ensure the title is under 200 characters and includes the most relevant high-volume search terms. The AI provides a final, polished version that significantly improves the keyword coverage and the overall flow of the copy. This optimized output is now ready to be used to help drive more traffic and sales. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.